Pen your web browser and head to wordpress.com. In the top right corner, click Login. Enter your credentials, or if you use Google for authentication, simply click Continue with Google for a faster sign-in. This brings you directly to your WordPress dashboard, the control center of your entire website. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and find Appearance. Click it. This is where all your site's visual settings live, from themes to menus and everything in between. Inside the Appearance section, choose Editor. This is WordPress's powerful design tool, giving you the flexibility to tweak your site's layout and styling without touching a single line of code. Now, in the editor, select Navigation. Here you'll see your current menu structure displayed, including every page or link currently visible to your visitors. At the top right of the navigation section, click the three dots. That little menu icon is your key to full control. Once you click the three dots, you can add new menu items. Maybe you launched a new blog or service page. Just click to add it right into your main menu. Delete items, outdated pages, or temporary links. Remove them in a single click. Reorder items. Want your contact page to appear first? Simply drag and drop menu items until the order makes sense for your visitors. Remember to save your changes when you're done. That one step ensures your updates are live and visible to everyone visiting your site. Keep your navigation short and simple. Around 5 to 7 items is ideal. Use clear, concise labels so visitors instantly know where to go. And if you have a lot of pages, consider creating drop-down menus for a cleaner look. And that's it. You've just mastered editing your WordPress navigation in 2025. A well-structured menu can make or break the user experience, so take a few minutes to keep yours fresh and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.